Emmanuel Macron has accused Boris Johnson of not being serious. Excuse me, after the Prime Minister sent him.
Earlier crash outside of town on the I-15. Pardon me. Excuse me. A live sneeze.
Richard Small, it was, slid it in. Jukovic is at the post as well. This could have been a cricket score. 4-1 to Borough.
6 straight wins in competition. I do beg your pardon.
On the southern skies, doesn't look like much from space here.
That's because we're seeing a change in the guard. High pressure taking back over the region. This is going to allow for more stability. That is disgusting. I am so sorry.
First of all, our isobars are spread farther out, so the winds, excuse me,